In this video, I will show you how to unlink Instagram accounts. So let's say you no longer want this one Instagram account to be affiliated with your another Instagram account. So here's what you're going to do. You just have to click on this profile icon on the lower corner, and then click on these three lines on the upper corner right here. The next thing to do is to tap on the account center, and then search for logging in with accounts. Now let's take a look at that. And then let's say this is your account right here. All you have to do is to tap on your account, and then you will be able to see which account from Facebook and Instagram are affiliated with your account. So as you can see, here it is. Now, in order for you to unlink your Instagram account with another Instagram account, you just have to unmark this checkbox right here. And then it will ask you with a password. So all you have to do is fill that up and you're good to go. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.